Namaskar everyone. Good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you are happy and fine. So, my name is Sajal Dauda from New Era Global School. So, first start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Thank you God for world so sweet. Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for bird that sing. Thank you God for everything. Once again, thank you God for world so sweet. Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for bird that sing. Thank you God for everything. Now, rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes. And now you feel fresh. Okay, so now let's have some fun today. Fun मतलब मस्ती. So हम थोड़ी मस्ती करें आज. Okay, so start with close your eyes everyone like this and then open. Close, open, close. आपको मेरे साथ करना है. Okay, close, open, close, open. Now up, down. करो. Up, hands up, hands down. Hands up, hands down. Hands up, hands down. Now close your palm. Open your palm. Close your palm. Open your palm. Now rub your hands. Rub, 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 rub. Rub your hands everyone. Okay. So now clapping. Clap karo. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. So okay. Once again. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. So मजा आया आप लोगों को? So हमने आज क्या किया? थोड़ी मस्ती की. Okay. So now start our today's class work. First start with phonics sound. Shall we start? Okay. A for apple. B for ball. B. C for cat. K. D for dog. D. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G. G for goat. G. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. E. I for ice cream. E. G for H. I for ice cream. E. I for ice cream. E. J for jug. J. J for jug. J. K for kite. K. K for kite. K. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nose. N for nose. O for orange. O. O for orange. O. P for peacock. P. P for peacock. P. Q for queen. W. Q for queen. W. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. Sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T. T for tiger. T. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V. V for van. V. V for van. V. W for watch. W. W for watch. W. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y. Y for yak. Y. Z for zebra. And what is the phonic sound of Z? What is the phonic sound of Z? So now our daily conversation. So हमने कल क्या सीखा था? What is your name? My name is, yes, my name is Achal Davda. And what is your name? बोलो, my name is, और जो आपका नाम हो वो, okay? And where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Morbi. Where do you live? I live in Morbi. What is your school name? My school name is New Era Global School. My school name is New Era Global School. अगर कोई हमें पूछे what is your name, so हमें रिप्लाई क्या करना है? My name is Achal Davda. जैसे आपका नाम हो तो my name इसके बाद आपका name and surname, okay? Then आपको पूछे where do you live, आप कहाँ पे रहते हो? So आपको क्या रिप्लाई देना है? I live in Morbi. What is your school name? आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? New Era Global School. My school name is New Era Global School. And how old are you? आप कितने साल के हो? I am 3 years old. Okay? I am 3 years old. आप अभी 3 साल के हो ना? So I am 3 years old. So ये था हमारा daily conversations. Now class work time. Okay, so first week recall. What is this? Which letter is this? Small letter A. What is the phonic sound of letter A? A. What is the phonic sound of letter A? A. And how we write letter A? Right side curve, standing line. Okay. A for apple. A for anchor. A for ankle. A. A. Ankle. A for arrow. A for ant. A for apricot. Okay. So now which letter come after A? After A, letter B. Which letter is this? Letter B. B for boy. What is the phonic sound of B? B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. And how we write a B? Standing line, left side curve. B for bell. B for book. B. B. Book. B for boat. B for banana. So after B, which letter is come? Letter C. C for cat. What is the phonic sound of C? K. What is the phonic sound of C? K. So C हम कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? Right side curve. C for cat. K. K. Cat. C for cow. K. K. Cow. C for cake. K. K. Cake. C for corn. K. K. Corn. C for camel. K. K. Camel. So now take out your worksheet, English worksheet, everyone. What you take out your English worksheet, everyone, and page take out the capital letter page जो हमने बाकी रखा था रिवीजन के लिए, right? So let's write alphabet A. So हमें क्या करना है? First write CW here and HW here. Other half is in classwork, other half is in homework. So first write CW and date. CW and date, and take out your crayons. Okay kids, so write first CW and date. CW and date. So are you all happy today? Make a smiley. Happy. Okay, so shall we start? Trace and write capital letter A. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. So shall we start? Okay, so first slanting line top to the bottom, slanting line, and again top to the bottom slanting line, and between two lines slipping line. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. What is the phonic sound of letter A? A. Okay. So whenever we write letter A, we write between three lines. Okay. We start with first line, slanting line, again slanting line, and then slipping line. Sorry. Start slanting line, and then slipping line. Letter A, slanting line top to the bottom, slanting line top to the bottom, and then slipping line. Letter A. Now write the letter A. So start with first line to third line slanting line, again first line to third line slanting line, and then slipping line. Letter A. A for apple. What is the phonic sound of letter A? A. Okay. So now now again write the letter A, right side slanting line, left side slanting line, and then between two lines slipping line. Letter A. A for apple. A for ant. And what is the phonic sound of letter A? A. Okay. So our class work is done. This is our class work. So write CW here, and this is our homework. So HW here. Okay. So first write date and HW. Okay. So now हमें क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ट्रेस द लेटर ए. से मैंने क्लास वर्क में किया वैसे ट्रेस करना है लेटर ए को, स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड स्लिपिंग लाइन. ओके. देन डाउन 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 हमें लेटर ए लिखना है. ओके. होप यू लाइक टुडेज क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क. थैंक यू एवरीवन. एंजॉय योर डे.